Creating secant walls is easier using EPS forms. Universal foam products can quickly and accurately quote you on your EPS secant forms. With over 30 years' experience in construction applications and over 80 shipping points nationwide, Universal will provide you with recommendations to make your secant form installation easier, faster, and more accurate. The process starts with the construction of a shallow guide wall. The EPS forms are used to shape the inner curved face of the guide wall. With the reinforcement in place, concrete is poured around the forms to complete this stage. When the guide wall is strong enough, the primary or female piles are constructed. The piling rig drills straight through the forms to achieve accurate placement. The primary piles are drilled out with alternate spacing to form the intersecting design required for a secant wall. The piles are then filled with the first of two different concrete mixes. The secondary or male piles are now drilled out. This action creates the important interlocking overlap between the piles. For reinforcement, a prefabricated steel cage is lowered into each secondary pile. A second hard concrete mix is then used to complete the wall. Some specifications require all piles to be made of the harder concrete. A secant wall completed to precise tolerances.